Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by this title, we're going to be doing this makeup look right here. It's a very cute, like very quick and very easy. If you guys want to see how I achieved this, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Okay, so I thought that I was going to, do my eyebrows and like prime my eyelids and do my foundation. Do my moisturizer and like prime my face or whatever on camera, but that just took so long and I don't have time. So I'm not going to include it in that video. In this video, I'm probably just gonna do like an eyebrow tutorial in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to start with my Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use this shade right here, OC. I'm butchering these names, I'm sorry. I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. Like I said, I'm just going to use like 2 shadows today. I'm not going to do nothing crazy. I just thought that, I want a little bit of color on my lid, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Edit neon palette thing that I got, and I'm gonna take the pink shade right here. This one's the pink one, this is purple, but I don't know, it's not showing up how I want it to. Hopefully you guys can see on my lids, but I'm gonna be using that shade and packing that all on my lid. I look crazy right now, but trust me, it's going to look cute in the end, okay? So I'm gonna take that first shade that I used as like a transition, and I'm just going to smooth out the edges a little bit. And basically what you're just gonna be doing, blending and packing so you get your desired like color. Because this is like, I don't know, this eyeshadow is the first time I'm using this eyeshadow, and it's like very chalky a little bit. So it's chalky but buildable, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna keep building some more shadow until I like how it comes out, and then we'll move on to the face. Okay, now I'm just going to be lining my eyes. I'm not gonna do a wing liner. I'm just going to line my lid. Now I'm going to be taking my Matte and Poreless FitMe Maybelline Concealer in the color Golden Caramel 332. And I'm just going to take some out the bottle. I hope this is my right shade. If not, oh well. You're just gonna have to make it work. This beauty blender is clean, by the way. This is the Sonia Cassia one from Target. I'm pretty sure you guys all seen it. But I use my Fenty foundation with this, and it just like, it was so pretty, and now it looks so dirty. Now I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr concealer in the color 250, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, on my nose, on my cheek, on my chin, and my forehead. To take my Wet n Wild's Photo Focus foundation stick in the color Chestnut Maroon, contour my face.